Hello everyone, welcome to Graphic Hunters. In this series, we're going to explore some cool tricks and tips in Adobe Illustrator that'll make your designing life easier. Whether you are new to Illustrator or a seasoned pro, get ready to learn some awesome stuff that will help you create amazing artwork. In today's video, we will learn how to easily make stereoscope ring text in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's get started. First, take Rectangle tool and draw a rectangular equal to artboard. Swap stroke color to fill color. I take black background, because the design which I will design is perfectly matched with black color. Now lock the background by press Ctrl 2. Now take Type tool and write a text, by which you want to keep your design. I write here, God is a designer. Also change the font. I choose Inter font. Select the typeface bold. Okay, that's good. Now go Window and select Brushes. Now select the text and make it create outlines. Go Pathfinder and make it United. Now drag the text to Brushes, select Pattern Brush, then click on OK. Now delete the text, because we don't need it. Take Ellipse tool and make a circle. Swap fill color to stroke color. Now select the text from the brushes. You can easily make the text bigger and smaller by increasing the stroke weight like that. Now go Variable Width Profile, and select the number 4. Now select the design, and rotate it like that. Again select the design. Go Effect, select Distort and Transform, select Transform. From Scale, make both 87. Take 14 copies. And then make angle 10 degree. You don't follow the exact process, you can make as you own style. Then click on OK. Now go Object, and select Expand Appearance. Now selecting from the first one, and keep capping like that. Now change the color. Okay, that's good. Now select the design, and make it group. Again select the design. Take Free Transform tool. Take Free Distort, and make distort like that. Okay, that's good. So friends, this is our finished masterpiece. I hope you found them useful and can't wait to see what you create with them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!